Hey everyone, welcome here. I'm so exciting to share this video lecture for you to learn latest advanced AI tool, that is DeepSeek AI, from scratch to expert level, zero to hero, how to super easily learn this DeepSeek AI. So what is DeepSeek AI and who wants to learn DeepSeek AI? So it could be possibly supports with your industry expertization to make you strong in that particular area. So creating an account, taking an advantages to crafting and transforming your way from it would be like business professionals. They have a huge data sets, they have so many problems in their area to improve or growth to success their business career in future trends. So what are the possibilities to using this DeepSeek AI to achieve such a goals? So the DeepSeek AI, open source AI tool, and having an advanced rather than like a legacy AI tools. So how it is performing very well. So all these points are combining together here for business professionals, software engineers, students, professional, different category of professionals. It might be healthcare, finance, accounts, whatever it you are in. How to use this DeepSeek AI is going to be explained here. So shall we start a detailed practical experience from this? Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learning a great AI tool, that is DeepSeek AI. So myself Sekhar Metla, I am here to explaining you about this latest stunning AI tool to transforming your business, transforming your career, and which category you are in, and how you want to supercharge your career. Yes, here this DeepSeek AI will help you greatly. Go to first we will see I'm strongly welcoming you to here for DeepSeek AI full tutorial for you to be strong within less time to understand about this AI tool. Yes, this is the tool for video lecture is created for general purpose who want to make a strong using this DeepSeek AI. Let's begin. So here you just launch to create an account. How to start? So let's see. First of all, I would like to open a launch any web browser in your computer system and go to Google and hit DeepSeek. See the first one. When you enter DeepSeek, so it's a launch the first link it is showing like a www.deepseek.com. What it is exactly? Click on DeepSeek. See, DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source tool. This is an open source tool. You need not to buy anything. Yes, you launch it when you create a free account using Gmail or any of email and a password to create a free account and start working with this Deep AI tool. Yes, this is the platforms are available like a web app and APIs. More either you maybe use a mobile phone or you maybe use computer system where the web browser is available. Yes, simply avail this. Or if you want to integrate this DeepSeek AI to your software development or any other areas to call directly access through API, application programming interface. Yes, always APIs are also possible. Here you can click right side part, it is there API platform. There you can reach and find out APIs. Now into the unknown means you don't know anything about AI tool and you want to learn something about DeepSeek AI or AI tools, how it will be performed, how it will be shows and runnings and all. Yes, here is the right platform for you. Now free access to DeepSeek V3, experience the intelligent model. All you have to do here, you need to click start here. I'll show you to create an account. How super easily step by step process I'll take you there. Before I would like to explain more details about DeepSeek V3 capabilities, how strong it is, and why other AI tools are making like a shake. So let's see, it's achieving significant breakthrough in the interface speed over previous models. It tops the leaderboard among open source models which are readily available in the market and IT industry. So let's see, when you open deepseek.com and go through here, the steps how to, how the benchmark with the DeepSeek AI versions, different versions are here, and how it is a more speed rather than earlier AI tools. So here it is a GPT 4.0 is there and a DeepSeek V3. The comparison of chart here it is given with respect to what criteria, how it is going to be giving you solutions as quickly, and how it is going to be providing a super smart solutions for you. All the category of see math conditions, how it is like a 90% it is given math 500 em, and it's a GPT-4, it's a 70 point like a 7 like a 74.6, such a speed accuracy and giving you a very quick response. So this is what it's happening. And here the research LLM, coders, math, v1, different activities are possibly there in under research patterns. You go through it one by one wherever you require. Let's begin to create a new account. See here, start now. When you click here, it will show you only login via email, or a Google or +86 phone number is only eligible right now. So where the country code in initiating +86, yes, you can create an account if you are having that particular mobile. So now all you have to do is a mobile or email password to log in here if you are already created, or else see there is a sign up form is there. Enter email, password, confirm password. Once you send a code, means this email what you have entered the email, such a email will receive in a code. Just you enter the code to sign up successfully. This is how you know the forget password. Go to the login. If you are already having a login like a Gmail account with you, like a Google account, go to login with Google. You just click it and go to select your Gmail ID. So once you selected Gmail ID, all you have to approve a permissions by clicking continue. Now once it is done, you will be seeing the dashboard of DeepSeek. Done, your account is created successfully. Now in the left pane you observe earlier, if you are hitting any chart history, it will be shown here, and here message to DeepSeek, here it is there. No, so I'm asking prepare anything. What is in your mind? What do you want to learn? What do you want to know? What do you want to do an activities or projects or for your career growth or business, whatever it you are in your mind. Yes, I'm asking a simple prepare leave letter to the manager for one day. What is the reason you want to create, or whatever the dates you want, and manager name you can specify if you want, and it will prepare a template for you. Let's see, when I submit this prompt, I can call it as when you are texting something here and submitting to the AI tool, it will be called as it's a prompting, or a message sending. How we are using to chatting messages, we are sending the same way. You ask a question, you receive a prompt information. See, leave application for the date. You can fill this type of square braces, the date you have to fill it. And dear sir manager, I am writing a formally request to leave or absence of one day. The date, duly briefly mention the reason. Example like a personal reason, health reason, family commitment, whatever it reason you have. If you are specified the reason, it will be specify the reason itself, and it's given you suggestions. Now the same way it's completed and it's given the template, and you want to take a template into your Word document, you just see here the option, it's in a first option is copy. If you click here, the text will be copied and take a move to Word document or anywhere wherever you want and use it. And this is the refresh, means regenerate. If you are not satisfied this information what it is generated for you, and again you can regenerate it and like and dislike. So this is what it's a simple, easily, very quickly using LLM models to generating and giving you an information. At the same time, you see, once you created, it's done. The same way, what information you require, it might be software professionals, coders. I may ask, prepare or create a multiplication table in Python. I am giving in Python programming language. If you need a multiplication table source code or program want to write in Java, C++, C#, PHP, which programming language you require to create a source code, ask here as a prompt. When you submit, like a up arrow is there, no? When you submit it, within a fraction of second, it is giving you to preparing a source code for you. All you have to write a prompt in very clear mode. Once you submitted the prompt, yes, definitely it is going to be creating, see, multiplication table at the function and inputs, user input and multiplication table method calling. How it is works also it is written, and a sample also it is given, and its a multiplication table is ready. The source code is ready. So you want to copy this source code to your local development area. So all you have to do is here is a copy option. When you click it, copied. Got it? When you click it, copy it, simply, very super easily you can get it. The same way JavaScript, which programming language you want to learn, or tester, developer, SQL, wherever you are in. And come to the next point, detailed information about this DeepSeek, this one, like a template information. See the dashboard, my profile is there. When you click the my profile, there is a settings. So general settings, language, which is the language you want, system is the default, or English you can also set it. Theme, the dark theme, light theme, and system theme, whichever you want. And the profile, email address, and the phone number, terms of use, and policies. Delete account if you are not, you don't want to use the DeepSeek. Yes, if you are, there is a permission always is there, you can delete it. So that is what it's happening now. You don't want to remain, like what is the prompts you are given here, it will be there. I think it's up to 30, or it's not mentioned over there. And you don't want to stay these prompts and information. You just there is an icon called 3 dots menu. Click here and remove it. You can delete this previous histories, you can automatically, it will be deleted. Or else there is a profile, delete all chats at one time. You can remove all the previous history from your DeepSeek AI tool. So now come to the point and the picture. Now here DeepThink, like use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. Whatever the reasoning problem you want to clear, correct it, get the solution from DeepSeek AI. You can select this and write a prompt or upload an information. At the same time, search it. Search the web when it is necessary. You are not getting such sufficient information. You just click here to search the prompt in the web also. Such a facilities are given. Yes. Now I'm asking, like you want to make a product presentations for a business development or business like a sales reports, anything. What do you want? Like see, prepare a PPT slides for sales reporting. So when I submit, what I am asking, like a PPT, like a PowerPoint presentation slide content, I am asking to prepare DeepSeek AI. So just simple information only I given. Maybe you have some meeting and meetings of minutes, who are attending, which country, travel planning, or whatever it you want, you ask it in a prompt. So this prompt you can submit and you can get it. See, slide number 1 titles, all it's given. The slide number 2 the agenda, key points, and slide number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so many information. Still it is writing. Yes. So the design concepts, all you have to do is like a Microsoft PowerPoint is available most of the Windows computer systems, where you have to start button and hit a PowerPoint, take a PowerPoint empty slides. There you can take a copy and paste these particular titles, and whichever information you want to customize, yes, you can customize it. At the same time, you want to modify this particular prompt, here is an edit option. This edit is there, you can resubmit it. Otherwise, you take a copy of this, select it, copy and paste it, and correct by adding any words you wish to, like collect customized slides, customized information. You change the prompt and submit it. Beautiful. Now we will see sales report by using, let's see, there is an option called this one, like a text extraction. Yes, uploading docs, images through extract the text also. So for that, what I am trying to showing you here, like I have an Excel data. So monthly category sales. So this is the data. So I am uploading this file to getting sales analytics reports. Let's see. For that, go to over here pin and go to desktop. Yeah. So Excel is uploaded. So using this file date, upload failed. Just a second. So remove it. Yeah. One more time I'm trying to uploading. No, it's not accepting. Extract only from the images and files it's given. Then why it is not accepting? It's a file is not open. Yeah, one more time I'll try. Refresh. Sometimes what happens, like DeepSeek is nowadays is just too busy. Yeah, it's not accepted. So you try upload a file and ask a prompt to prepare a sales report analytics reports. Then you see wonders. DeepSeek is analyzing the data and preparing analytical reports and predictions from your data for the business decision making system purposes. So all it will do automatically. So now like it's not accepting the uploading file right now. You just try with your data. So upload a third time, fourth time I have tried. It's upload straight away. It is giving. Sometimes maybe DeepSeek server is busy, means you will get such type of errors. So now you want to create a new chart. Like this is a prompt we have already submitted. Again you want to create a new chart, means click here to start new chart. That's it. So beautifully, I hope many of who wants to start their career in a super power by adding AI tools. Nowadays, most of the companies are asking AI tool experts and engineers. So you are maybe in software or any other category, finance, accounts, and healthcare or automobile, wherever you are in. Try to apply your way to speed up your work very quickly by asking the solutions by this type of open AI tools like a DeepSeek AI. I strongly request you, if you feel comfortable and you like this video, means please do like, share, subscribe for more videos from this channel. See you.